How you going guys? Dave from AllBrand again. Continuing on with my last video that I had with this van behind me, how I had it all stripped apart, where the customer had brought the van into us for a repair that he had originally already started. As you can see, I've already rebuilt the framework, we've already resheeted the external of the van, and I'm just in the process now of wiring up some lights on the external of the rear. We've also fitted a dual reverse camera for this customer while we had the sheeting off for something that he wanted us to do. And now we're just in the process, obviously, of lights, trims, and fitting off the door side of this caravan. So if you do guys have any questions, give us a call. We'll be able to help you out as much as we can. Thanks guys.